We've been here for 3.5 weeks, and got to say, we're quite happy that it's time to be moving on. So let me just show you around our little temporary home for the past few weeks. There's Sherman. So that's my 2001 auto sleeper on a T4 base. That's him, fabulous Sherman. This pop-up tent is where Barney has been having his kennel and keeping nice and warm and dry in there. There's the car. And then this is our 2013 Crafter, which has been half fitted out for the purposes of our time, whilst we're going to need to be camping as we're renovating. There, lovely peaceful sight under the watchful eye of the sleeping giant here in the Brecon Beacons. We've been really lucky. 3.5 weeks here, and we've had rain for probably 5 of those days, so really, really good. So, really important part of camping is always to make sure that you've got plenty of water. Campsites very generously provide this for you. Of course, there's no way of telling if this is going to be suitable water for the dogs, say, or suitable just for, could be drinking water. It could be water that you can use for boiling and then drinking, or boiling and then just keeping clean when you're camping. So one way to find out is to just quickly analyse on the go. So turn on the device, put it into some water, press the analyse button, and this tells me. The lovely people at Cactali sent us one of the drinking water analyzers to test, and so we've done that and really appreciate it. You can see their website on screen now, and they have generously extended a 14% discount to all of you lovely people watching. You just follow the link that I'll put in the links below and apply the code EAH at checkout to get your 14% discount. That's drinking quality, safe for the dogs, and safe for us. Right, so Sherman's a very old boy, was he 2001, and all the guys with the old vehicles swear by this stuff, because he's about to be standing for quite some time, and I don't want there to be problems with his engine. So apparently this is magic, and it will just help with seals and such inside the engine so that we get a little increase in compression, but more importantly stopping smoking, and also making sure that he doesn't suffer any further damage to his engine before he's back as a camper, like as in moving around the world rather than just a place where we live. And then I'm going to treat him to some work on his engine.
Because he currently smokes about 50 a day.
He does. He is a bit of a smoky boy.
I'd say that's it, right? I could be standing here for 20 minutes waiting for a spoonful.
So let's just have a look at that product a second there. So wind stop smoke. Yeah, that's the one that I found best information about, as I say, the people who just do the occasional summertime Sunday drive. As it is, Sherman only does 2,000 miles, maybe 4,000 miles in a busy year. So this should keep him happy. So Reese has just packed up a load of pallets and is making his way up to start building Barney's palace. it's time for me to fix the gate on Barney's little palace. There's Barney. Good boy. Okay. A minute. A minute. Hey. There we are. Barney, look. How have you got that all tangled up? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's a good boy. Right. Unfortunately, Reese has got the jigsaw with him. So multi-tool it is. Just hope I got enough power. Whew. Wood's not very strong, so I guess it'll be fine. Right, noise. So that's the dogs taken care of. We're really pleased that we've managed to get ourselves on site at last. Quite lucky really, because the weather's better now. You know, good things come to those who wait. That's what I try to keep as a mantra. We have lots and lots of things to do on the lane, and we're probably not going to show you an awful lot of that because it's not that interesting. And then we'll be able to start working on everything else. It's going to look a whole lot worse before it looks better. We've got to do an awful lot of what looks very destructive, but we know that the land will come back well afterwards. Everything that you see in front of you is going to have to be scraped back because we need to see what type of surfaces we've got available to us. And then we can start the real work of project number 1, which is constructing the cabin that we'll be using for taking care of our day-to-day needs. Till next time.